Professor Anwar Pasha. Professor Anwar Pasha, RJD also hasn't had a very good showing in the elections this time around. But as an opposition, you're busy targeting the BJP, which you should do, you should raise questions. But the more the factionalism or the more the questions from within the BJP are coming, there is celebration in the India alliance. Why, sir? Why is the India alliance not looking at the fact that 28 parties came together, could not beat the score of the NDA at 293? What are you celebrating? Just because BJP came down from 303 to 240, you are celebrating, though you are still sitting in the opposition. Nothing's changed for you.
Navika ji, thanks to ED, CBI and the Election Commission, the BJP has managed to get the number. But BJP has not got the mandate.
Hare?
They have got
thanks
number,
to EVM. Thanks to EVM.
To rule this country. There is difference. Yeah, there is difference. I will tell you. ED, I told ED.
Then why did they not get 400 par?
Commission.
If the EVM was with them, they should have got 400 par.
Let me complete. Don't interrupt.
केवल 4 आई है ना 37 तो अखिलेश जी की आई है तो इसलिए ईवीएम का
you have given time to all the members, all the panelists. Give me time also to speak. Okay. Don't interrupt, please. This is the fact that BJP has got the number. They have managed to get the number, but the mandate is not with them. The mandate is with us to control this government, this dictatorial government that was being run by the BJP, by the Narendra Modi ji. We have been given the mandate by the people to control this government, to check this government. This is our duty as opposition. We'll keep on doing that. If government does wrong, we'll point it out and we'll fight against it. This is the mandate given by the people to us. Second thing, बीजेपी के जो हमारे जो बीजेपी है वो ये कह रही है कि हमारे दामन पे दाग लगा हुआ है लेकिन तुम्हारा दाग भी कुछ कम नहीं है इसलिए हमारा दाग बहुत अच्छा है। ये क्या बात हुई?
ये किसने कहा?
The party which are saying till yesterday that we are a party with difference. We are a disciplined party. Where is that discipline? Where is that difference now? The kind of churning is going on, the kind of blame game is going on, the kind of skirmishes are going on within BJP and within the allies. That is unprecedented. This is unprecedented. Where is the discipline now?
And
this kind of churning will continue in future.
What do you understand by discipline, Mr. Pasha?
As far as Bihar is concerned,
you have only 4 seats in Bihar.
In
and
Bihar,
now you are giving lecture about discipline.
I didn't interrupt.
Okay, nobody is interrupting you. You have no right to just propagate anything you want to wish here.
Please don't interrupt. Let me complete.
You have only 4 seats.
I never interrupted you. I never interrupted you.
That is fine. You never interrupted me. That is fine. But don't give us lecture on discipline.
In Bihar now, just shut up. Don't disturb me. Don't interrupt.
Mr. Pasha, you have 4 seats.
Just shut up. Don't interrupt me.
Well, Mr. Pasha, are you really a professor?
I didn't interrupt you.
Professor
Let me
Saab.
complete.
Professor Saab.
Let me complete.
Oh, Mr. Pasha.
Let me complete.
I know.
Let me complete.
I know your professorship.
Let me complete. Oh, Mr. Whosoever you are, just keep shut.
I know your professorship.
Shut up. I
can expose you here on
Let me complete.
Professor Pasha, parliamentary language, please. Parliamentary language. You are a responsible opposition. Why are you losing your cool?
Is this a debate? I didn't interrupt.
You have only 4 seats. Go ahead.
What is this debate? Did I interrupt anybody?
No, but then that doesn't mean you will use unparliamentary words, sir.
Let me complete.
Yes, please complete, sir. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Please complete in 30 seconds.
You are using unparliamentary words against me. By not giving me time.
What?
Go in Bihar.
Are you really seriously, Professor?
As far as the Bihar is concerned, today the JDU in Bihar is demoralized. The workers of JDU are demoralized.
People would laugh on you.
The leaders of JDU was demoralized. Because of the unilateral distribution of the ministry, JDU is demoralized today. This is the gossip, public gossip is going on Bihar that what our leader Nitish Kumar
First you
has gone
decide,
from the center.
Mr.
Why he
Pasa, are
changed?
you happy that we are in
क्यों
ministerial
पलटी
birth?
मारा उन्होंने? क्यों वो पलटी मारा उन्होंने? क्या मिला
First you
उन्हें?
decide
एक saying
which
है बिहार
portion
में,
gives you
लोग कहते
happiness.
हैं कि जात भी गंवाई और भात भी नहीं पाया। जात भी गंवाई और भात नहीं पाया। ये लोग पूछ रहे हैं नीतीश कुमार जी
पलटी
से।
मार के आपकी
क्या
तरफ
एनडीए
गए,
के साथ?
पलटी मार के आपकी तरफ गए तो आप खुश हो गए, पलटी मारकर दूसरी तरफ गए तो आपको दुख हो गया। यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरनल साउंड्स दैट आर कमिंग। वेल, you have won only 4 seats in Bihar. There should have been an internal discourse within your own party. Why did you not do better than this? I'm coming to you, Shehzad.
आई प्रॉमिस यू, जस्ट वन लाइन। पाशा जी, आपने डिसिप्लिन की बात की। पप्पू यादव वाला जो कांड हुआ, जो कांग्रेस ने पप्पू यादव का स्वागत किया है, वो डिसिप्लिन है, इनडिसिप्लिन है? आउट ऑफ सिलेबस हो गया क्या?
पप्पू यादव जी का इशू, कांग्रेस का इशू, उसको उठा करके
बीमा भारती को हराया भाई,
कर सकते।
आपकी कैंडिडेट
जो इंडिसिप्लिन
आपकी कैंडिडेट को हराया, कांग्रेस ने आपको अपनी औकात दिखा दी। आपको कांग्रेस ने औकात दिखा दी आपकी,
कि आप
समझ
जो
रहे
है
हो?
वो
रेडियो हमारे
पार्टी
सम्मानित
है।
एलाय है, बिहार चला रहे,
जनता ने आपको औकात दिखा दिया,
पर कांग्रेस ने आपको
आप
अपनी
जमीन पे
हैसियत
आ
दिखा
गए।
दी।
जनता ने
हैसियत।
आपको ग्राउंडेड कर दिया, जमीन पे आ गया।
पप्पू यादव
जनता
को
ने
बता
आपको
दो।
अपनी औकात बता दिया।
Well,
आपकी हैसियत
one minute.